Solitaire cache updates can appear missing even when a newer version exists, because the App Store or Google Play may not have refreshed its listing yet. By the end, you'll know how to manually check for the latest Solitaire cache version, refresh the store listing, and identify whether the problem is with the store or the app itself. Start by opening the store directly instead of waiting for Solitaire cache to update automatically. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your profile picture, and look through the available app updates. Search for Solitaire cache and open its store page. If an update button appears, install it. If the page only shows open, the store is currently not offering an update for that device. That does not necessarily mean the app is permanently stuck on an older version. On Android, open Google Play, search for Solitaire cache, and open the app's store page. If update is available, tap it. If you only see open, check the Play Store again after refreshing the listing. For iPhone, pull down on the available update screen to refresh it. Then search for Solitaire cache again. This can force the App Store to check for changes instead of relying on the information it already has loaded. On Android, close Google Play completely and reopen it before checking the Solitaire cache listing again. You can also open Google Play's app settings and clear its cache if the store is repeatedly showing outdated information. Next, check your device's operating system. An app update can depend on the minimum iOS or Android version supported by the current release. Open your phone's software update settings and install any available system update that your device supports. If Solitaire cache is already installed but you cannot see a newer version, check the App Store page rather than searching through the phone's home screen. The store page is where the current update option is displayed. Do not uninstall Solitaire cache simply because the update button is missing. If your account contains progress, purchases, or other important information, confirm that your account is properly connected before removing the app. If the same version continues appearing after refreshing the store and checking your device software, the update may not yet be available for your device or region. In that situation, there may be nothing to install manually. The key checks are simple. Open the official store page, refresh the store listing, check your phone's operating system, and avoid reinstalling the app just to force an update. Your next step is to search for Solitaire cache directly in the App Store or Google Play, and check whether the update button is actually available. If this fixed the issue, like the video, and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.